Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving from Harbour View towards 7 miles on the Harbour View to Bull Bay Road. On the left is St. Benedict the Moor Catholic Church and also St. Benedict Primary School. Entering 7 miles. On the left is Shooters Hill Main Road. On the left is Moorless Drive. On the left is 7 miles Church of God of Prophecy, and also on the left here is Parl Road. Crossing the Cane River. On the right is Palm Beach Drive, and that road will take you to Palm Beach Estate. On the left is Cane River Drive. Also on the left is Pleasant View. On the right is Hope Hill Heights. The road on the left is Star of the East. On the left is Rest Haven Drive, and that road will take you to Rest Haven. To the right is Copacabana. On the left is Freedom Skatepark and also Bull Bay Football Field. On the left is Poolside Drive. On the right is Wackie Drive, and that road will take you towards Wackie Beach. To the left, you can find Camrose Drive. On the right is Villa Avenue. On the left is View Boulevard, and that road will take you into View community. On the right is West Wind Road, and the stone sign on the right reads, "Welcome to Ocean Lake." Entering Bull Bay Town. On the right is Bull Bay Police Station. The road on the left is the Bull Bay to Papine Road, and that road will take you to Newstead Gap, Cane River Falls, Three Finger Jack's Cave, Good Hope Mountain, Dallas, Lindos Gap, Miller's Cave, Constitution Hill, All's Delight, Elleston Flats, as well as to Papine. On the left, we have just passed Bull Bay Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses Church. On the left is Gardner's View Baptist Church. On the left is Claymont Road, Just ahead, you can see the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. The project seeks to improve the alignment and capacity of the existing Southern Coastal Main Arterial Road in order to make it safe and efficient, free from flooding, and provide for future development. To the left, you can find Bethel Basic School. Entering St. Thomas. Here is the St. Andrew and St. Thomas Parish border. So we have left St. Andrew Parish and we are now in St. Thomas Parish. To the left, you can find School Road and Gysum Drive. Additionally, School Road will take you towards Bull Bay All Age School. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.